Hey there. Is your TP-Link Bluetooth adapter acting up and not being recognized by your system? Worry not. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps on how to fix a TP-Link Bluetooth adapter not recognized. By the end of this, you'll have a smooth, stress-free experience getting your device up and running again. Step 1. Check your USB port. Before diving deep into technical fixes, the quickest check is to ensure your USB port is functioning properly. Disconnect your TP-Link Bluetooth adapter from its current port and try plugging it into another USB port on your computer. Sometimes the issue isn't with the adapter, but with the port itself. If your adapter lights up or gets recognized, the original port may be faulty. Step 2. Verify adapter installation. If switching ports doesn't work, ensure the adapter is installed correctly. To do this, go to your computer's Device Manager. You can find this by typing Device Manager into the search bar on Windows or accessing it through Control Panel settings. Look under the Bluetooth section or other devices for your adapter. If you see a yellow exclamation mark next to it, the device may not be installed correctly. Right-click the device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software to allow Windows to find the appropriate drivers for you. Step 3. Install or reinstall drivers. No luck with automatic updates? Let's do this manually. Head to TP-Link's official website and navigate to their support section. Search for your specific Bluetooth adapter model for the correct driver. Download and install the latest driver available. Once installed, restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. Step 4. Enable Bluetooth support service. A lesser-known fix involves ensuring the Bluetooth support service is running. Press the Windows plus R keys, type services.msc, and press Enter. This opens the Services window. Scroll down and find Bluetooth Support Service. Right-click it and select Start if it's stopped. You may also choose Restart to refresh this service. Also, ensure the service's startup type is set to Automatic. Step 5. Update your operating system. Software updates can resolve compatibility issues. Make sure your operating system is up to date. In Windows, go to Settings, click on Update and Security, and select Check for Updates. Install any pending updates and restart your computer to make sure all of your device drivers work in harmony with the system. Step 6. Try another computer. To rule out computer-specific issues, plug your TP-Link Bluetooth adapter into another machine. If it works there, the issue likely lies within your original computer's settings or hardware. You can revisit previous steps focusing on the OS USB ports and drivers to isolate and resolve the problem specifically on your main computer. Fixing a TP-Link Bluetooth adapter not recognized can initially seem daunting, but by following these structured steps, you're well equipped to troubleshoot and resolve the ongoing issue. Whether it's reconfiguring settings, updating drivers, or trying the adapter on another device, there's a solution right around the corner. Remember, many recognition problems boil down to software updates or minor system adjustments, so maintaining an updated OS and device driver suite is always a good practice. Enjoy seamless wireless connectivity and the joys that come with it.